Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome and welcome back to Momoverse. So from the thumbnail you must have guessed that today it is gonna be again a real storytelling time. It is about Bloody Mary. So I think there will be hardly anyone out there जिसको Bloody Mary के बारे में पता नहीं होगा क्योंकि this is one of the most popular folk tales and especially nowadays. और ब्लडी मैरी चैलेंज के बारे में तो आपको पता ही होगा, बट टुडे इट इज नॉट अ चैलेंज. मैं चैलेंज नहीं करने वाली हूँ. आई एम गोना टेल द रियल इंसिडेंट और द रियल स्टोरी बिहाइंड ब्लडी मैरी. ओके, so keep watching the video, and if you like the video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon by the side of it and share it with your friends. And if you want me to do the challenge for real, then do not forget to hit that like. Then I'll do the challenge for you too. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into it. So the very first thing is there really was a person named Mary who was the first queen of England. This is a story back in 1805. This is a real story and you can find it in history. It is said that Mary was very beautiful. She was very beautiful, but since the time she was born, she was considered unlucky by her family. She stayed in a room, like in a closed room. She did not talk with many people. यहाँ तक कि ये कहा जाता है कि in order to maintain her youth, she used to drink the blood of few young children. She used to bathe in the blood of those children in order to retain her youth. So at that time who was the king of England, he actually had 5 or 6 wives because his first wife was, I don't remember the name, but Mary was a child of his first wife. But the king was not satisfied with a girl and he always wanted a boy. Therefore he married 5 or 6 women in order to get at least one boy child. And in this way, इससे क्या हुआ ना कि उस राजा के साथ जो उसकी पहली पत्नी थी, उसका जो रिश्ता था वो बहुत ज्यादा कमजोर हो गया. यहाँ तक कि the king actually banished the queen from his empire and sent her away. In fact, when Mary was not allowed to talk to her mother, in this way she became very lonely. She used to spend her time alone in a closed room and she did not used to talk to a lot of people. And धीरे धीरे जब मैरी बड़ी हुई, she became a gorgeous lady. But after that, soon the king died and Mary became the first queen of England because she had the power, the knowledge of how to rule the kingdom better. She knew it better than her brothers and sisters. So जो kingdom था वो मैरी के ऊपर ही सौंप दिया गया था. And पहले तो उनके जो प्रजा थे वो बहुत खुश थे मैरी से. But this was very short-lived. बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ बदल गया जब Mary pregnant हुई. Actually what happened was she was so beautiful and she thought that she must marry by then, and therefore she married a prince. And बहुत जल्दी she became pregnant within 3 months of her marriage. But after 9 months of her pregnancy, she wanted to deliver the baby a month before her pregnancy, like in 8 months, because Mary wanted to secure her position and the position of her upcoming child in the kingdom. But when the doctors went for surgery, they said that it was not possible right then, so she would have to wait for a month. And after 9 months, 9 महीने के बाद भी, when she was about to deliver, the doctor said कि मेरी के पेट में तो कोई बच्चा था ही नहीं. मतलब amount of changes, the physical changes that a woman goes through during her pregnancy, Mary went through all those changes. She had the baby bump, she weight gained and a lot of things. But in spite of all the things, she was said that she did not even bear a child. And by this Mary was heartbroken. Even the people in her empire who thought that Mary was some kind of a demon or a witch, and they started hating Mary because of that. Another reason why Mary was being hated by her own countrymen was that at that time there was a huge chaos going on in England because of the difference in religion. और पूरा country 2 religion में बट गया था, that is Catholic and Protestants. If you have studied it in the history, then you would know that Catholic and Protestants are 2 different, like in Christianity only there are 2 different religions, and Mary wanted to unite the entire country under one religion, that is Catholic. उसके लिए उसने क्या किया, उसने करीब 200 आदमी और 60 औरतों को जिंदा जला दिया. सो आप सोच सकते हैं कि ये कितना डरावना चीज हो सकता है. And because of this, Mary was hated even more by her countrymen. She was considered a ruthless woman. She was blamed as a witch who did not give birth to a child even though she conceived. Among all the people whom Mary burnt alive, there was a woman who was pregnant by 9 months. And she was even burned down alive. So you can think how much cruel it could be. So and because of that, Mary was hated even more by her people. And this continued. और Mary दोबारा से pregnant हुई, but इस बार भी वही same चीज हुआ Mary के साथ जो उसके साथ पहली बार हुआ था. Like she got pregnant, she conceived, she got her baby bumps, she gained weight, but at the end उसने कोई भी बच्चे को जन्म नहीं दिया. ये भी कहा जाता है कि Mary used to worship devil. She used to give offerings to devil. तो मैरी को ये लगने लगा था कि शायद डेविल ही वो है जो उसके बच्चे को एज ऑफरिंग ले रहा है. और इससे वो बहुत ज्यादा टूट गई थी. वो किसी से ज्यादा बात नहीं करती थी और ज्यादा अकेले रहने लगी थी. उसको बचपन में अपने माँ बाप का प्यार नहीं मिला और अब भी उसके पति उससे उतना प्यार नहीं करते थे. वो अपने से ज्यादा अपने बच्चे को प्यार करती थी. पर लेकिन मैरी को कभी अपना बच्चा हुआ ही नहीं. बहुत जल्दी मैरी की मौत हो गई ड्यू टू यूट्रस कैंसर. और उस वक्त पे इन सब चीजों के बारे में किसी को उतना मालूम नहीं था, इसलिए मैरी की मौत भी बहुत ही रहस्यमय तरीके से हुई. And now the myth about the Bloody Mary challenge is that it is said even today that if you hold a candle, like अगर आप एक 2 कैंडल अपने हाथ में लेके किसी मिरर के सामने जाके 3 बार Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary कहते हैं, तो आज भी उसका एक परछाई, उसका एक चेहरा देखने को मिलता है. It was said कि मैरी बहुत ज्यादा खूबसूरत थी, पर लेकिन अगर आपको वो छाया नजर आता है तो वो बिल्कुल भी खूबसूरत नहीं है. It is very horrific. And it is said that अगर उसके बाद भी आपको मैरी का चेहरा नहीं नजर आता है तो यू नीड टू स्पिन ट्राइस. आपको 3 बार घूमना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद फिर से आपको ब्लडी मैरी, ब्लडी मैरी, ब्लडी मैरी कहना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद भी अगर आपको वो नहीं दिखी तो आपको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको वही चीज सेम रिपीट करना होगा. और कहा जाता है कि बाय दिस टाइम यू आर सपोज टू सी इमेज ऑफ मैरी ऑन द मिरर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. और जितने लोगों ने ये कहा है, ऑल्दो आई डू नॉट बिलीव, बट जिन लोगों ने ये किया है, मैंने देखा है, उनका कहना है कि दिस रियली हैपेंस. यू कैन सी एन इमेज ऑफ मैरी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. It is better to do by 2:33 to 3:33 a.m. in the morning. That is the devil's hour. So यही है about the Mary's myth, about what we get to hear. और मतलब सुनने में ये बहुत ज्यादा डरावना लगता है. सिंस मैं इन चीजों पे ज्यादा यकीन नहीं करती हूँ, इसलिए मुझे शायद उतना डर नहीं लग रहा या फिर नहीं लगेगा अगर मैं ये चैलेंज करूँ तो. बट फिर भी यार फटती तो है ना. That is it for the story of Bloody Mary. And if you guys want me to do the challenge, then do not forget to like. Because आप करो like या ना करो, आपको पता है मैं ये challenge करूँगी. In fact, I'll do it today itself. You know why? Because it's the perfect time for me to do, since I'll be alone in the house and I can do it properly. So I'll be doing it today. मतलब अभी दोपहर हो रहा है. आज तो नहीं होगा ना, कल हो जाएगा. आफ्टर 12 बजे it becomes कल. तो I will do it tomorrow. In 2:30 to 3:30 within that time only I'll be trying to do. And I hope I get to see that witch, because I don't believe in stuff. but फिर भी मैं आपको एक कहानी बोल रही हूँ ना, और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा डर लग रहा है. मुझे गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं. मतलब it's just afternoon but still I am so shit scared. I can't even express. And that's it for my today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be definitely on the challenge of Bloody Mary. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss this challenge, because I am super excited to do the challenge already. Tata, bye bye, stay safe, do not just go out unless it's necessary, and do not forget to wear masks. Bye, I love you.